Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to zoom image on hover effect and not exceeding parent div container border in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see image. So when we hover on image, so we are going to add zoom effect, but image not exceeding its border or container width. Now you see container, so click on it. Then on left side you see layout, style, advanced, so click on advanced and then you see CSS ID. So now we are going to add CSS ID. Now add, so we added main image hover, so you can add CSS ID according to your requirement. And then you see image, so click on it. Then on left side you see content, style, advanced, so click on advanced again and then you see CSS ID and CSS classes. So we are going to add CSS class. Now paste, so we added CSS class imagehoverzoom, so you can add name according to your requirement and then click on update. So we are going to add CSS. Now update done. Now go to customize section and then you see additional CSS, so click on it. Now we are going to paste CSS and you will find CSS in video description or in comment section. Now paste. Now you see CSS ID, main image hover, so we added this CSS ID in container in advanced setting and then you see overflow hidden and then you see CSS class we added in image widgets. Now you see image hover zoom and then you see maximum width 100% and then you see transition. Scroll down, then you see CSS class we added on image widget and then you see colon and then you see hover. So we added scale, so you can add number according to your requirement. So we added 1.25 scale and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So add CSS ID in container and then add CSS class in image widget in Elementor WordPress and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to project page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, now you see image, so when we hover on it, now you see image zoom but not exceed parent div or container border. Now again hover on it, now you see, so you can add scale number according to your requirement in custom CSS and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.